Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another day, another recipe. Today we'll learn how to whip up almond flour buns that are not only gluten-free, but also incredibly easy to make. Let's get that started. We'll start by adding almond flour to a microwave-safe bowl. So here, you want to use a bowl that will give you a round shape for a bun. In this bowl, I'll add 3 tablespoons of almond flour and 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll go ahead and mix that really, really well. One of the best parts about this recipe are the number of ingredients. We're using very few ingredients here. Some almond flour, some baking powder, and eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix one large egg to the almond flour mixture, and we'll go ahead and mix that really, really well so there's no balls or anything left in there. Once that's mixed, we'll go ahead and go to the next step. Well, while we do that, let's talk about benefits of almond flour. Almond flour is an excellent source of weight loss because it's so high in fiber and protein, which is a very good alternative for people trying to go on to gluten-free, low-carb, paleo, or diabetic diets. We'll go ahead and set the bowl in the microwave and put the microwave on 2 minutes. Yep, that's all you need. Just 2 minutes in the microwave and the bun will be ready. We'll go ahead and cut the bun through the middle, half it, and then we'll add butter to both sides. If you want a bigger bun, you can add 1 more spoon of almond flour. You can add a little bit more baking soda. And then we'll go ahead and toast it. I have the pan hot, so I added the buns to it. That's the perfect color that you want. And at this point, your bun is ready. I am going to assemble it with cheese. I want the cheese to be a little bit softer so it gets warm. So I added the cheese on there. At that point, you can take the bun and assemble it the way you want to. I am gonna make a fried egg and add that on with the mayonnaise and some hot sauce. You can add ketchup, hot sauce. You can add some avocado to it if you have some bacon. You can add more protein, and that's so filling. It's gonna taste amazing, and you can make this every day with different ingredients in it, however you would like. And there you have it. Your sandwich is ready. Pair it up with some hot or iced coffee, some fruit on the side, and you have a whole meal. If you like this recipe, comment below and tell me if you'd like to see some more low carb recipes, and check out my other content. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.